Chief Justice Jongka Meghalaya High Court, Justice Ajay Kumar Mittal. Hakalai puetrik unailar ulayo ban penbena pajba ya ka jing penyakhlat no ya ka judiciary na ka executive. Bad hakajuk kopor ulayo ru ban play pajba no ya ka court jongka district and session judge Hamokorwat Southwest Khasil district. La ru ban kedaw hangne baka sorkar jela dangshen kala penmi ka jing penbena halor ka jing penyakhlat no ya ka subordinate judiciary na ka executive hapo Southwest Khasil district. Bad ya menta ya ka district and session court Hamokorwat on sedang terekam no haka terekam bersipor kat hadu banda pendep ya ketika kasyari bepura haka ketika sengi nalor chief justice laidon langru menteri kampo ieng ke sorkar jela James K Sangma haka juga por bolong ru menteri ke Kamaan judge ka Meghalaya High Court Justice HS Thankiu ikong Isawan Dalalu IAS Deputy Commissioner ke Southwest Khasil District uba Waldes Biam ADC Judicial Mokorwat uba R Kharbi Q Block Development Officer ke Mokorwat ubala penyajru ketika jingelang bat kiwe haba ajengkran kum ukongsan na ketika sengi na kaliang jong Chief Justice ulong baka imlang salang kalanang kan banang mi kisngi kum ta ka anru kayai telun na kapor sa kapor haka baka Judicial Executive Judicial Magistrate ken habban pendon kami ka bor jong ka an banweng yi jing baydai bat ki an ul ajengkran ru haka baydai bat ki kendon an baper bat kum juru halor ka rukom terekam jong ka kasyari ya ketika jingelang la penlong hapo ka multipurpose hall jong ka office DC Hamokorwat Justice Mittal ha ketika sengi ula lejru banjengo ya ka yeng kasyari besipor ka bahalaj lausang kum juru i ka yeng bopura jong ka district court ka badang pentre charge menta Hamokorwat.
It gives me immense pleasure to be here with you all today in this beautiful part of the state richly endowed with scenic beauty. It is really a glorious moment for the people of Southwest Khasil district when separation of judiciary from executive finally takes place here at Makrowar. A dream has come into reality. As all of you know, that in good old days, dispute between the parties were to be settled by the headmen, Surdars, CMs, Dulai and Dokmas were fixed. As the time passed by, society has become more and more complicated, so also the disputes between the parties. Law also is in a state of constant evolution. In public, of this region to have fair, impartial, speedy and inexpressive trial and justice. Before parting, I would like to inform this august gathering that since the inception of the High Court of Meghalaya in the year 2013, it is the 8th district in the state of Meghalaya where judiciary has been separated from executive. The separation of judiciary is yet to take place at Khilgya, Sululpara and Baghbara. To complete the process, efforts are on and we are hopeful that with active cooperation of the government, full-fledged judiciary in remaining 3 districts shall also start functioning shortly, preferably in the month of November. Once again, I would like to extend my heartiest appreciation to the people of this region for coming in good numbers to witness this first program. Thank you very much.